In this case, SS means super sexy. This car is a killer. It's got a lot of upgrades, brand new air conditioning system. The motor's got 50 miles on it. Hey, I'm Jay Grams here at the Volo Auto Museum. Go to volocars.com. You'll get all the pricing and the specs on this car and a few hundred other collector cars, all for sale at volocars.com. Also, plenty ways on there to contact us. We have shipping, we have financing. I have a staff of people here that can answer your questions, your concerns, get the ball rolling, reach out to us, and let's see how we can help you out, get your dream car. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're putting cars on there every day. Some really, really nice stuff. So I'm anxious about this one. Let's take it for a spin. I mean, obviously stunning. I bought the car down south. The body is laser straight. I'm looking in it like it's a mirror. Slick black paint. You could read a newspaper in the reflection. Everything fits really nice. The hood is square and the doors are square and all the panels are flush and real nice. Obviously no vinyl top. It's got the white stripe. It has the spoilers, the SS hood and emblems. And it looks like everything is new. All the stainless moldings are shiny, and door handles and bumpers and wheel well trim. Even all the glass is new. I mean, all of it, all the way around, glass is new. Tail lights, gas cap, it's all new. The wheels, I love. These are cut from billet aluminum. They got the gray paint with the polished outer rim, the center cap on Redline tires. That is a hot setup. I love that. The interior is also gorgeous, and it's brand new from carpet to headliner. New cushions, new houndstooth upholstery, new console, new deluxe steering wheel, new window cranks. I mean, new everything. Headliner, visors. It's a tilt column. It's some really nice looking custom gauges right in there with a tachometer. Seat belts. Everything's pristine inside the car. We had this motor rebuilt, so it's got about 50 miles on it. I had a professional shop rebuild the motor, so it is fresh. It's a 350 with a good 400 horsepower. It's got aluminum heads, a polished aluminum intake, some really nice two-piece aluminum valve covers. It's got a big Holley carb, MSD ignition, some nice coated headers. $7,000 was just spent on the heat and air conditioning system. It was missing everything. The ductwork, everything was gone, so it's all brand new. I'm looking at the AC compressor. It's a little mini compressor. It's polished. It's got a serpentine belt system here. Then when you get in the car, the controls are the new controls. They're electronic. They're not the old cables. So the whole heat and air conditioning system, it's brand new, top of the line, $7,000 spent on that. Trunk compartment's real clean. It's nice spatter finish paint. Everything's glossy. Has a new mat, new rubber. Underneath the car has a new subframe, a custom aftermarket subframe with rack and pinion steering, tubular control arms, disc brakes. So the whole front clip under here is all new upgraded components. Let me start this thing up. It's got a high torque starter. If I mentioned it has a polished tilt column. It's a turbo 350 trans. Very snappy. So it is a hot rod. That's a healthy motor, but it's an easy car to drive. Very comfortable. It handles and rides great. It's got cold air conditioning. Just get in and start enjoying the car. On our website, we'll have pictures underneath of it. Like I said, the engine was rebuilt at a professional shop. You sit on the seats, the cushions are all new, they're nice and firm, they feel new. Beautiful motor compartment. This is one you'll open at a car show and you'll be proud of it. The only thing you're going to need is that microfiber rag and some spray shine, because it's black and it is like a mirror. So other than wiping off some fingerprints once in a while, this car is turnkey ready to go. So visit volocars.com, let us know how we can sell you this car, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.